in my opinion, should use OLAPLEX because using OLAPLEX on every client's hair keeps their hair really healthy, keeps the integrity there, but it also keeps them happy, and a happy client wants to keep coming back.
So I am adding OLAPLEX to my formula just to help with the integrity of her hair. Catherine has really curly hair, and we want it to just be nice and uniform and gorgeous and big and curly. I am shampooing Catherine with the OLAPLEX No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I'm then going to rinse it out and apply a gloss that I also added the OLAPLEX No. 1 in, just to help with the overall chemical service. Okay, so what I'm doing here is the OLAPLEX No. 2 Bond Perfector. I'm going to start with OLAPLEX No. 9 Bond Protector Serum. It is a product that has to go on wet. I'm going to use a good pump and a half. And then I'm going to be using the No. 6 Bond Smoother. That is nourishing, it's protecting, and it's incredible for frizz. Okay, so what I am adding now to Catherine's finished product is the OLAPLEX No. 7 Bonding Oil. Add like shine and vibrancy